So today's our topic is classification of the business activities. Okay, beta ji. So in this topic, we will study the two topics, industries and the commerce. So we will study the industries as well as the commerce in this topic. So do you know what is industries? Anybody can tell me the what is industries? Okay, so I'll go to the Sunana. Yes, Sunana, what is industries, beta?
Sir, industries are those buildings which make things which produce the goods and services for the people.
Very good. Another one, Kamran, beta. Karman. Kamaljeet. Kamaljeet, can you tell me, beta? Unmute yourself.
So it's a place where goods are manufactured and produced.
Very good. Anyone else? Arshaleen, can you, beta?
So industries are the place where goods are manufactured and resources are converted into useful products for satisfy our basic needs.
Okay, very, very good. And what is commerce? What is commerce? Anybody? So go for the commerce. Who has raised the hand? Let me check. Okay, Palak, can you, beta?
Sir, it tells us about trade and business.
Trade and?
It helps the trade and business.
Okay, well done. Harshvardhan?
Sir, exchange of goods, services, something valuable between businesses.
Okay, very good, beta. Keep it up. Muskan, Deep?
Sir, commerce is activity of buying and selling.
Activity buying and selling. Okay, beta. Is it clear, beta? So, guys, what we are doing, we are discussing about the industries. Okay, so as you told me, most of them, industries is the place where we have to manufacture the things and transfer and make it the useful. Okay, the useful goods. Clear? So business is divided into two parts, industries and the commerce. There is a chart on your screen. There is a chart on your screen, beta. Can you see that chart, beta? Okay, the industries refer to the economic activity which are connected with the conservation of the resources into useful goods. So these industries convert your resources into the useful goods. Generally, the term industries is used for the activity in which the mechanical appliances and the technical skills are involved. इसमें आपके machine involved होगी और technical skill involved होगी. Point याद रखिएगा. This point is very important. Okay, this includes activity related to producing and processing of good as well as breeding and raising of animals. इसमें बेटा breeding और raising of animals भी होता है. Breeding means बेटा animal से animal बनाए जाते हैं इसमें. और the term industry is also used to mean goods of firms produce similar or related to the goods. और उसमें सिमिलर गुड्स भी बनाए जाते हैं और उससे रिलेटेड गुड्स भी हम लोग बनाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज रेफर टू ऑल द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस द टेक्सटाइल गुड्स फ्रॉम द कॉटन. Similarly, the electronic industries would be include all the firms producing the electronic goods. In common, the certain services like banking, insurance are also referred to as industries. और जो हमारी सर्विसेज हैं जैसे बैंकिंग सर्विसेज है, इंश्योरेंस सर्विसेज हैं, ये भी इंडस्ट्रीज कहलाती हैं. These are also called the industries. The banking industries, insurance industries may be divided into 3 parts. इसको अब 3 parts में divide किया. What are the 3 parts? Primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay. So classification of the industries. What is the, can you tell me the what is the primary industries? Who will tell me about the primary industries? Guys, can you tell me the primary industries, beta? Okay, Kamal Jidai. Yes, beta, Kamal.
Sir, we are like this, that like agriculture,
Yes.
like goods are produced.
Very good. Very impressive. I am proud of you, my girl. Sunaina, can you?
Sir, an industry which deals with natural things like agriculture and producing some, you can say, raw materials
Yes, yes.
from natural things, producing cloth, cotton, silk, wheat, rice.
Okay, okay. So, as a Sunaina and you guys knows very well, and you told me and explained me very nicely that primary industries are related to the natural resources, producing farming, extracting, producing. All these are the natural resources जो हम लोग खेती बाड़ी करते हैं. ये सब बेटा जितने भी इनके एंगेजमेंट्स होते हैं, they all are called primary industries. They all are called primary industries. Example of the extractive industries and genetic industries. प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्रीज को बेटा फिर हमने डिवाइड किया हुआ है. एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्रीज, व्हाट आर द एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्रीज बेटा? कैन यू टेल मी? Yes, Sunana, can you do that? Can you explain me better? What is extractive industries? Okay, we'll go to the Vardhan. Yes, Vardhan.
Extractive industries are industries which are related in the extraction of minerals through sea, land, for which give us profit.
Okay, so it means that the extractive industries are those industries which collection of useful material from the earth and sea. Okay, it's the simplest definition for that. Extract industries extract or draw up or produce from the natural resources. Extractive industries supply some basic raw material that are mostly product of the geographical or the natural environment. The production of these industries are usually transformed into many other useful goods by manufacturing industries. Important extractive industries included farming, mining, lumbering, hunting, fishing, operations like that. Okay. Go for the next one. So produce these industries either directly consumed or used as raw material by other industries. ठीक है, जैसे आपका कोल है, so that will be the raw material, और उसको हम डायरेक्टली भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो इसके में हम जो एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्रीज के जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं बेटा, उनको हम डायरेक्टली भी कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं और उनको दूसरी इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए वो रॉ मटेरियल भी हो सकते हैं. जेनेटिक इंडस्ट्रीज, what is genetic industries? Yes, you can tell me beta, Vaishali.
So industries which reproduce animals and plants. Means
That
they-
is, yes, right answer. The industries engaged in reproduction or multiplication of plants and animal. Okay, I hope that will be clear to you, beta. Go for another one. For example, plant nurseries, pottery farms, cattle breeding, all these type of things. What is secondary industries? Who will tell me? Okay, Karman, can you?
Sir, secondary industries are those industries which work on the product which has been made in primary industries.
Okay, right answer. I'm very impressive. Anyone else except Sunana? Because every time the Sunana is answering, so I don't want to give the chance to Sunana. I want another one. Every time Sunana. Inder Preet, can you tell me beta what is secondary industries? Ishan? Muskan Deep, can you? Muskan, can you unmute yourself and answer me?
Sir, secondary industries are those industries which have already been, which are used, this material which are produced by primary industry.
Okay, anyone else? Anyone else beta? Oh, 5 hands are there. Let me check who are there. Yes, Ishan, can you?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, mere bete.
Sir,
Good afternoon.
secondary industries are those industries which use material made by the primary industry as a raw material.
Yes, right answer. In primary industries are those industries they consume the raw material from the primary industries and they manufactured in the goods. Okay. Example, manufacturing industries and the construction industries. So go for the secondary classification of the secondary industries. Manufacturing industries. What is the manufacturing industries? I know everybody knows that. So I'll ask to someone who has not answered me yet. Sunroof, can you tell me? Sandeep. Okay, Muskan Deep, can you tell me, beta?
Manufacturing industry are those industry which produce goods like shoes, cotton.
Manufacturing industry.
Furniture.
Yes, manufacturing industries are those industries which conserve the conservation of raw material into the finished goods. It's a very simple. For cotton to the textile, timber to the furniture. Okay, so go for the manufacturing industries. They change the form of goods, raw material into the finished good, create the form of utility. They produce the consumer goods, industries, goods and the goods capital. Type of manufacturing industries. Number one, analytical industries. So analytical industries, and okay, I'll ask to the analytical industries, to the Sunana, she raised the hand. Yes, beta, what is analytical industries?
That they are the industry which separates the components of the same raw from the same material, like they separate oil and from the oil seeds, and the remaining the oil grams which remains they used in fertilizers for the crops which can be grown, which has been grown in plants.
Yes, वेरी गुड. जैसा सुनैना ने आपको बताया कि जो एनालिटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं वो बेटा एक चीज में से, एक कंपोनेंट में से, एक आइटम्स में से बहुत सारी चीज को सेपरेट करते हैं. इन्होंने एग्जांपल लिया है क्रूड ऑयल का. क्रूड ऑयल में क्या करते हैं बेटा हम लोग? बहुत सारी चीजें, जेट फ्यूल अलग करते हैं, डीजल अलग करते हैं, पेट्रोल अलग करते हैं, गैस अलग कर देते हैं, उसमें से बहुत सारी चीजें उसमें से निकाल लेते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एनालिटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. इसका एग्जाम्पल है ऑयल रिफाइनरीज. ओके, synthetical industries. Who will answer me the synthetical industries? Synthetical industries को कौन बताएगा बेटा? Anyone else? Raise your hand. Not Sunaina, not Vardhan. Anyone else? Okay, go to the Palak. Yes, Palak.
It combines the various raw ingredients and it forms the finished product, a new product.
ये बहुत सारे चीजों को मिला करके, बहुत सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिला करके एक प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं. यही बता रहे हैं ना बेटा आप? ओके, इज इट क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज. Who will tell the processing industries beta? Who will tell me beta? Okay, let's go to the Vaishali if you don't mind. Vaishali, can you tell me processing industries, beta?
So industries which involve successive stages to make one finished good.
Yes, right answer. Example?
Example, paper, sugar, wheat. Firstly, they are taken from farms, then they are taken to industries to from sugarcane to make the convert it into sugar.
Okay, that's good. Go for the another industries, assembling industries. Who will tell me that? Okay, Arshaleen, can you tell me, beta?
So in assembling industries refer to different components, parts to make a new product for the people and the public.
Okay, the best example, very good. I'm proud of you, my baby. The best example is car. Best example is car, AC, all are assembled, beta. They are hiring the things from another factories and they assembled it. Car, computer, mobile phone, all are the construction industries. Who will tell me this? This is the easiest most. So let's go to the Sahil Preet. Can you tell me what is construction industries? Sahil Preet. Ritik Verma. Sandeep. Okay, Harshvardhan, can you tell me, beta, what is construction industries?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. बताओ बेटा. You are unmute yourself, beta. You can unmute yourself.
So so the production, so the manufacturing of building, dams, road and bridges.
Simple construction of the building, dams, road and bridge, etc. These are the manufacturing industries. They used to produce product of the manufacturing industries. Okay, go for the tertiary industries, territory industries. So this goes to, okay, I'll ask to the Sunana. Sunana, yeah.
Sir, it produced the services by which are made by we can say primary industries and the secondary industries, and it make the new compound and component.
Example.
For sir, like a banking industry, which is used in for like taking loans and savings for and
Industries support to the services to the primary and the secondary activities. For example, transportation. Example is transportation, banking, insurance. All these services which are auxiliary to the trade, like transport, banking, insurance, like that. ठीक है बेटा, जो इनको प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज को हेल्प करते हैं, सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज. What is commerce? Who will tell me the what is commerce? Let's see who is going to be answered. Okay, Vardhan, can you?
Commerce is the activity which is related of making records of the product which we use and facing the problem of scarcity, and tells about how to utilize our using our product wisely so that it does not that it does not become a scarce in a future.
Okay. Yes, Kamran, can you better?
So commerce is the buying, selling, and distribution of the goods in an organized manner.
Very good. So, commerce, it is concerned with buying.
Sir,
Yes.
excuse. So can you show me the slide of manufacturing industry?
Beta, let me finish this one. Okay. So, it is concerned with buying, selling, and distribution of the commodities. It is organized system for exchange of goods and service in between the businessman and the customer. So बेटा जब आप बाइंग करते हैं, सेलिंग एक ये रिलेटेड होती है बाइंग से, सेलिंग से, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ कमोडिटीज से. इट ऑर्गेनाइज सिस्टम या वेल सिस्टमेटिक होती है बेटा. Exchange of goods and services between businessman to the customers. It also concerned with the marketing aspects of the business, supply of the right type of goods to the right person. और बेटा it's very important ये कि आप कि right person को right goods मिले all the right time at the right place और right time पे right places पे. जैसे आजकल उसका सबसे अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है बेटा Amazon. सबसे अच्छा एग्जाम्पल कौन सा है आपका? Amazon, Flipkart. ओके बेटा. So these all these Amazon, Flipkart, all this online banking, they are doing on this line. They are concerned with the marketing aspects of the business, supply the right type of good to the right person at the right time at the right place. Okay. Then it has divided into two parts, trade and aid to the trades. Definition: sum total of all those activities which are involved in the removal of the hindrance in the process of exchange of goods. यानी बीच की जितनी भी हिंडेरेंस मीन्स बीच की जितनी भी रुकावटें हैं उनको ये एक्टिविटीज ये कॉमर्स बेटा दूर करता है. सम टोटल ऑफ ऑल दोज एक्टिविटी विच इन्वॉल्व टू रिमूव द हिंडेरेंस इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स. जितनी भी एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स में जितनी भी बेटा आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उन सबको ये दूर करता है. ओके. वो कौन कौन सी हो सकती हैं बेटा? रिमूवल ऑफ द हिंड्रेंस ऑफ द पर्सन्स की वजह से अगर कोई रुकावट आ रही है बिजनेस में तो उसको भी वो दूर करता है. इट रेफर टू द लैक ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिटवीन द प्रोड्यूसर एंड द कंज्यूमर. अगर कोई कमी है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स की प्रोड्यूसर और कस्टमर्स में उसको भी वो रिमूव करेगा. अगर प्रोड्यूसर ने गुड्स तो बना लिया पर उसके पास कस्टमर नहीं, कस्टमर्स को गुड्स चाहिए लेकिन उसके पास प्रोड्यूसर नहीं है, तो इन दोनों के बीच का बेटा गैप खत्म करेगा ये. Here the trader act as the intermediary among them. The customers are able to find out the products which they are want from the market. Removal of the hindrance of the place. Place का hindrance भी दूर करेगा. अगर कोई परेशानी है place के लिए वो भी वो clear करेगा. Producer and the customer are in the distance place. अगर producer और customer distance place पे हैं, hence the commodity should be transferred from the production center to the customer. तो ये production center से customer को transfer करते हैं. This problem can be solved by the system of commerce by means of transport, packing and the insurance. The removal of the hindrance in the risk. Goods and properties of the business are subject to the various risks such as fire, theft and damages. So they can be protected by the insurance. So आपका commerce इसको भी protect. Function of the commerce, another one, fourth one, removal of the hindrance of the times. Time की परेशानी को भी ये दूर करेगा. There may be gap between the production and the consumption of the production is carried out in the anticipation of the future demand. So बेटा इसको भी ये दूर करेगा because it become necessary to store the goods until they are sold. The problem can be solved by the warehouse. तो जब तक वो sold नहीं हुआ था उनको हम warehouse में रखते हैं. Removal of the hindrance of the knowledge. Knowledge की भी परेशानी को ये आपके दूर करेगा. Knowledge of the customer about the product and the services offered by the business organized is major problem in a business. So advertisement help in the removal of the hindrance of the knowledge among the buyers. ठीक है, तो buyers को सारे वो knowledges भी बताता है, प्रोडक्ट के बारे में भी इंट्रोड्यूस करता है. आप सारे एडवर्टीजमेंट देख रहे हैं, वो सब कुछ आपको बताते हैं. That is called commerce. Hindrance of the finance. Problem finance can be handled by the banks which from the part of the commerce. और पैसे की परेशानी, फाइनेंस की परेशानी, फंड्स की परेशानी को दूर करते हैं, जो कि आपका बैंक हैंडल कराते हैं, बैंक से, जो कि पार्ट ऑफ द कॉमर्स है. इट आल्सो हेल्प द बिजनेसमैन टू एक्सचेंज ऑफ मनी बिटवीन टू डिफरेंट पर्सन एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. ओके बेटा, ये सारी चीजें आपकी आज क्लियर हो गई हैं. मेक इन इंडिया आपका शेयर आ गया, मेक इन इंडिया का. सो guys, what is make in India? Can you tell me? Who will tell me what is make in India? Okay, I'll go for who has raised the hand. Let me check. Okay, Arceline, you can tell me, beta.
So Make in India is a symbol that is launched by the Indian government to produce the goods and products only in India.
Okay. Sunana, can you?
Sir, it is a kind of tag which is launched by India, like the things which are made in India, they're having a tag that this thing is made in India, so that we can came to know that this production is made by India, not other countries.
Okay. Karman, can you, beta? Yes, Karman. Jack, you are unmuted.
So it is an initiative which was launched by government to encourage the Indian companies to produce the products and sell in India.
Yes. So it's a major objective are the job creation, skill enhancement in the 2025 sector of the economy. Some of them are automobile, aviation, biotechnology, chemicals, construction, defense, electrical machineries, food processing, IT, oil, gas, media, entertainment, mining, railways. Okay, that's clear. Come to the trade. What is trade? The trade means buying and selling of goods which involve the exchange of the commodities from money or money is worth. ट्रेड क्या होता है? जब हम कोई चीज बेचते या खरीदते हैं, which involve the exchange of the commodities for the money and the money is worth. Type of trade: home trade and foreign trade. Home trade means it is also known as the domestic trade or internal trade. Buy and selling of goods within a country, the both buyer and the seller should belong the same nation. जब हम अपने country के अंदर कोई goods बेचेंगे, that will be the होम ट्रेड, डोमेस्टिक ट्रेड और इंटरनल ट्रेड। होम ट्रेड के दो पार्ट हैं बेटा, wholesale trade and retail trade. What is the wholesale trade? We are buying and selling the large quantity. तो wholesale trade होगा बेटा. Wholesale trade buy goods directly from the producer and sell them to the retailer. हम क्या करते हैं, प्रोड्यूसर से डायरेक्टली ढेर सारा सामान खरीद लेते हैं लार्ज क्वांटिटी में और उनको छोटे छोटे रिटेलर्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं। रिटेल ट्रेड्स गुड्स एंड बाइंग सेलिंग द स्मॉल क्वांटिटी। जैसे हम जो अपनी मोहल्ले की दुकानों से जो सामान खरीदते हैं वो रिटेलर्स होते हैं, वो छोटा छोटा एक एक सामान भी आपको बेच देते हैं, पर होलसेल ट्रेड में आप एक सामान नहीं खरीद सकते। रिटेल ट्रेड बाय गुड्स फ्रॉम द होलसेलर एंड सेल देम इनटू द कस्टमर। फॉरेन ट्रेड में आपका है एक्सपोर्ट एंड इंपोर्ट एंड इंटरपोर्ट। फॉरेन एक्सचेंज ट्रेड, फॉरेन ट्रेड क्या होता है आपका, इट इज आल्सो नोन एज द एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड और इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड। इट इन्वॉल्व द बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज बिटवीन पर्सन बिलोंगिंग टू और मोर कंट्रीज। हम अपने जब हम सामान जो है बेटा बाहर के लोगों को से खरीदते हैं या उनको बेचते हैं जो हमारी कंट्री से बाहर हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड फॉरेन ट्रेड। एक्सपोर्ट व्हेन सेल गुड्स टू द फॉरेन, जब हम सामान बाहर बेचते हैं, बाहर की कंट्री को सेल करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सपोर्ट। इंपोर्ट क्या होता है, परचेज ऑफ गुड्स फ्रॉम द फॉरेन कंट्रीज, जब हम बाहर की कंट्रीज से गुड्स खरीदते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंपोर्ट। import goods from one country for the purpose of exporting them to the some other countries। हम अगर किसी और कंट्री से एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, किसी और कंट्री से हम इंपोर्ट करते हैं, उसके बाद उस गुड्स का पर्पस होता है किसी और कंट्री को एक्सपोर्ट करना, सो वो ये कहलाता है इंटरपोर्ट बेटा। होम ट्रेड, फॉरेन, that will be all is clear to you beta। Next come to the aid to the trade or auxiliaries to the trade। So aid to the trade means activity which assist the trade are called aid to the trade or auxiliaries to the trade। Aid to trade, aids to trades include transportation, banking, insurance, warehouse, advertisements। These services enterprises facilitating the movement of finance, risk, coverage, storage, sales, promotion of goods। Number one, transport and communication। Who will tell me the transport and communication? Who will tell me the transport and the communication beta? Okay, I'll ask to someone। Okay, Palak, can you tell me transportation and the communication?
Sir, the trade is only possible because of transport and communication, because transport helps us to take goods from one place to the other. Without transport, we can't take them. So trade can't be possible without transport. And communication is also important because by communication, we can communicate with the other, like other retailers and other producers for the trade.
Okay, thank you, very impressive। Anyone else? Usually the production takes place certain location and consumption all over the country। The problem is removed by the transport through various modes such as road, rail and water transport। ठीक है, communication भी इन्होंने बता दिया। What is the communication? Communication along with the transportation, communication is very initial, which help the producer to trade and the consumer to exchange the informations। Okay, postal services, telephones, other modern means of the communication may be regarded as the auxiliaries to the business activity। Okay, what is banking and finance? Who will tell me what is banking and finance, beta? Jasmine, can you tell me banking and finance?
So banking, every business requires funds for long-term and short-term purposes, and insurance and finance.
Yes.
Risk is always associated with the business.
Okay. Very good, beta. Very good. Impressive. So banking and finance, beta. All business concerned need to fund acquiring the assets. सारे business को पैसे चाहिए होते हैं business चलाने के लिए, raw materials के लिए और day to day expenses के लिए. The finance is the foundation of all the business provided by bank. और जो पैसा जो है आपको business को बैंक से ही मिलता है सारे. So how the bank help the business? Bank accept the deposit from the public. बैंक में जो हम लोग पैसा जमा करते हैं वो क्या करता है, उसको क्रेडिट करता है दूसरे बिजनेसमैन को. So they are lend the money, ODCC loans, discounting of the bills, collection of the checks, remittance of the facilities, various other facilities to the business communities. इंश्योरेंस बेटा आपको पता है कि हम लोग इंश्योर्ड कराते हैं क्योंकि अगर हमारे साथ हमारी फैक्ट्री के साथ या ट्रेड या कॉमर्स किसी के साथ भी मिस हैपनिंग हो जाए तो हम उसको उसका लॉस जो है कवर कर सके इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से. और जो उसको हम ऑन द पेमेंट ऑफ द नॉमिनल अमाउंट कॉल्ड प्रीमियम, और जो हम उसके लिए एक छोटा सा अमाउंट नॉमिनल अमाउंट देते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रीमियम. वेयर हाउस द प्रोडक्शन इज ऑलवेज एंटिसिपेशन ऑफ द फ्यूचर डिमांड. सो द जो हमारे कोल्ड स्टोरेज होते हैं, जो हमारे स्टोरेज होते हैं उनको वेयर हाउस कहते हैं. उसमें हम सामान को रख देते हैं और जब उसकी डिमांड होती है तब उसको बेचते हैं. एडवर्टीजमेंट आपको समझाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आप टीवी पर हजारों एडवर्टीजमेंट देखते हैं. उनका काम यही है कि आपको प्रोडक्ट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करना. प्रोडक्ट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करना. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स. कल हम ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द बिजनेस को पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है बेटा, कल हम क्या करेंगे, ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द बिजनेस को बेटा पढ़ेंगे. ओके बेटा. सो बेटा जी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द बिजनेस को कल हम पढ़ेंगे बेटा. आपको आज मजा आया पढ़ के, कुछ अच्छा सा लगा? गुड. ओके बेटा, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.